You guys, do you see this? Stay tuned and see what I paid for at the end of the video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am filming inside of Publix, and I have a Dove men and women deodorant deal that you will not be able to surpass once you see what IBOTTA is returning. This week for the Dove women's deal, this particular brand, the Ultimate, they are $8.99 each. The women as well as the men. I'm picking up one of these and one of these. So two of them are going to come out to $17.98. But you see this? There is a 3 off 2 Dove or Dove Men Care Deodorant that's going to come off with both of them. These are in the extra savings flyer for Publix, and it expires on May 6th. If you look in the save inserts for $4.24, there is a coupon in there for $2 off of one. And then I have an internet printable that they sent me via email for $1 off any one Dove product that I will put towards this. Then I'm going to submit it to Fetch, and I will get $5 back for this one and $4 back for this one. So now my total has dropped down to $2.98. But if you have that 2 off of 10 Publix digital, you'll pay 98 cents for $17 worth of deodorant.